After you have received the email stating that the batch has been validated, you can come back into the View dashboard, find the district you were working on, and click on the Upload Files area. You can then click on the Validate Data button, and you will see that the error report has been returned for you, errors and warnings. These are all warnings, which is a good sign. Errors must be cleaned up before you can submit data. With warnings, you may submit the data with the warning in there. To see exactly what's in the report, you click on Print Errors and Warnings, and a copy of the Excel file would be downloaded to your computer. You open up the file, and it will give you the specific details on what is wrong with the data that you're trying to load. To see the description better, you can drag the row down a bit, and you'll be able to see what is causing this warning. This is the one, this area here shows errors for employees. The next section shows me the warnings for student errors. And note that if you don't have an error in that area, it will not show on the report. Once I see this, I can clean these things up if necessary. But in this case, the name is less than 3 characters, and that is valid for this district. So I can leave the warning stay as it is. I also have class roster warnings at the end here, and it's indicating that the employee associated with that class is not correct. So I will scroll down a bit. It may not be valid. But in this case, I will go ahead and load these in. If you find that you have errors on the report, you can go and correct those errors or extract more data if necessary and reload the files and validate the data again. You may end up doing that 2 or 3 times depending on whether or not the data is clean. You may also provide a copy of the errors report to the district if you would like them to see it before you submit the data. Thank you for listening to the recording on how to print the errors and warnings, and join me in the next recording to see how you can submit data for the roster verification process.